Hello, I am Arturo Murillo. I am a student of English One course. Now I am going to talk about my wife, Claudia Patricia Caicedo. She is 49 years old. She is 1 meter 60 centimeters tall. She has white skin and her hair is blonde. Her eyes are light brown. She has medium size and a beautiful smile. My wife is a nurse, but she is now a housewife. We have 3 children, and she is an excellent mom and wife. She loves her children. My wife is very cook, and she is very skilled at making crafts. Like me, she loves nature, and we share walking through forests and jungles of our region. We like to dance a lot, and sometimes we go to discos where they dance with music from our youth. We have lived in various places in Colombia and have traveled a lot together with our children. We enjoy traveling and know new places and people. We have had many wonderful experiences, but the most wonderful experience has been raising our children. Thanks.